glad I was spared, like the very last pair. When you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there, so you say a little prayer. You don't wanna be so vain, but if I get them in my hands,
hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today we have another on foot look at the Anthony Edwards Ruby Reds. If I'm not mistaken, that's what the original name of them, but we're gonna call them the bread joints, man. These sneakers are paying homage to his time at Georgia when he was in college and stuff like that. So the cool thing about these sneakers is that they sitting, fam. But before we get off into anything, sizing, comfortability, all that great stuff, man, go ahead and smash that subscribe button for your boy. Head over to IG, follow your boy at KICKnology on IG, Snapchat KICKnology23. Really trying to grow those platforms. And yeah, man, we gonna keep this thing growing. You guys have been showing me much love, and I greatly appreciate it, man. As you guys can see right here, starting on the right hand side of this sneaker, on the outer side, we do have that typical Anthony Edwards. This is the mid. This is not the low. Retail is only $130 for these things, so for a great performance hooper sneaker, you can't go wrong with this. But we do have that standard AE1 silhouette. This one is draped in this crimson red colorway. We have that black upper and the black laces. On the back end of these things, we do have that carbon fiber plate looking behind the Adidas logo in white, super clean with the black pull tab. That booty look real nice. Look at them two booty. Look at that booty look real nice, man. On the inner side of the shoe, as you guys can see right here, it is the exact same thing as the outer side. As we look at the front of the sneaker, you have the Anthony Edwards logo on the front, on the tongue, and then the black rope laces on both of them. This part right here on the sneaker, this part right here is actually 3M, so you guys just pay attention to that, just to be aware that that is a reflective 3M material. This is the bottom of the sneaker, as you guys can see right here. It does have that boost in the bottom of it, so like I said, as far as the sizing and comfort, I went a half a size up, but I go a half a size up on all of my sneakers that I'm going to be wearing, especially hooping wise, and they fit perfect. You could get away with going true to size in these things, to be honest with you, but I would say play it safe. Go a half a size up, and you are perfectly fine in these sneakers. They fit really well. Support on the heel pad and everything like that, everything just fits fine. You feel what I'm saying? As far as comfortability, man, these shoes are it, bro. Like, they're comfortable. Performance-wise, I have hooped in some AEs before, and they hoop very well. They hold up, comfortability, sustainability, support, all that great stuff that you could think of when it comes to hooping sneakers. To be honest with you, I'm super shocked that they sat, bro, and they are sitting, because the bread colorway normally does well in any sneaker. And all the Jordan comparisons that Anthony Edwards got, I'm shocked that these things are not gone, but they are sitting for retail, as I said, and you can walk into like Finish Line, Foot Locker, Champs in your local area. I'm pretty sure you'll be able to get them, but nonetheless, they are available, and I really love that. But let's go ahead and take a look at the box. All right, so just taking a look at the box, we have your standard Anthony Edwards box with his logo right here. On the side of the box, we do have those Adidas stripes right there, the Adidas logo. On the back end of the box, we do have a size tag, which is right there. And then on the other side, it's the exact same thing. And then on the bottom of the box, Anthony Edwards, established in Georgia 2001, don't follow the wave, which is his slogan. But as we open up the box, we just have your white Adidas paper, and that's pretty much it for the box. All right, so that's all I got for you guys today. Y'all comment down below and let me know if this sneaker that you picked up. Now, if you are interested in this sneaker, there are still sizes available on adidas.com for retail, all the way up until a size 12. You know, unicorn sizes, 12.5, stuff like that, they are all gone. But unfortunately, I would not be wearing these shoes on the court. These will be a lifestyle sneaker for your boy. I might put them on court one time or maybe twice for a performance spec video for you guys. Y'all comment down below, let me know if I should do that or not. But that's all I got for you guys. I appreciate you guys for all the love and support. Y'all already know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these AEs, are just bait. A way for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next video. Gone.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and